2.09, using similar triangles. So we're not proving that these triangles are similar. We're being told they are. It tells you right here, given triangle QSR is similar to F or VTU. Find the value of X, then UT. So here is X and here is UT. Use the similarity statement to make sure that you know which sides are which. So QS corresponds with VT. We don't care about those. There's no numbers or variables. The next ones would be SR and TU. So TU is there, SR is here. So those two are corresponding, which leaves the 8 and 48 as the last corresponding sides. I always want to identify our variable and put that in the numerator of our ratios. So we'll do 11x plus 7 over 14. And we use this triangle in the numerator, which means that the 48 will go also in the numerator, and that is over 8 in the corresponding side. First thing you might want to do right away is 48 over 8. That is simply equal to 6. And then the next thing you're going to do is multiply both sides by this denominator, which is 14. So 6 times 14. This cancels off with that. We get 11x plus 7 is equal to 6 times 14. That is 84. Now we want to subtract 7 from both sides. So that cancels off with that. 84 minus 7 is 77. And we have 11x left over. Last step is divide by that number out front, which is 11. Cancel, cancel. X is equal to 7. Take that 7, put it back into our 11x plus 7, and you'll end up getting 84. 11 times 7 is 77, and 77 plus 7 is 84. So line UT or side UT would equal 84. Model B. All right. So given ABE is similar to triangle ACD. So we have one triangle right here. And we have a bigger triangle on the outside. Now, you first want to recognize how far is A to D. Okay, I kind of covered the numbers up, so I'll erase it. From A to D, it is 15 plus 6, which is 21. And then from A to C, it is 10 plus X, which is 10 plus X. So we want to put our variable in the numerator. So we're going to take this guy, 10 plus X. The corresponding side to A to C is going to be A to B, which is simply 10. So 10 plus X over 10 is equal to, so 10 plus X is a long one. So our long one here is all the way to D, which would be 21. And the corresponding side would be our 15. 21 divided by 15 is a decimal, so we're going to leave that alone for now. We're going to multiply both sides by this denominator, which is 10. That cancels off those 10s. We get 10 plus X is equal to, take a calculator, do 21 times 10. Then you're going to divide that by 15. And you should get 14 in your calculator. And we have 10 plus X. This 10 is positive. So we're going to subtract that 10 from both sides. Cancel, cancel. X is equal to 4. So that's part of the question. Then it says find A to B. A to B, which we said earlier, is 10 plus X. So side AB is equal to 10 plus 4, which would be 14. One more, a nice word problem. We have a man that is 6 feet tall. It's a 6. Casts a shadow that is 3 feet long. Shadows are on the ground. We do have a triangle here. It doesn't really matter, but you can connect that if you want. And then it's asking, find the height of a cardboard box. So the height is our unknown. The cardboard box casts a 2-foot shadow. Once again, there is a triangle here. It doesn't really matter. So let's find corresponding sides. Our X is here. That goes up top. corresponds with our 6. That goes down below. This is our numerator, so 2 over our 3. Oops, sorry. Now we're going to divide or multiply by our denominator, which in this case is 6 to both sides. Cancel, cancel. 2 times 6 is 12 over 3, which equals 4. So x here would equal 4.